Welcome to Western Lane, a two-bed cottage in the heart of Mumbles, SA3. This property is ideal for a first-time buy or holiday let, which is currently set up for. This wonderful property has a fantastic layout comprising of a living, dining and kitchen area to the ground floor. The first floor expands into 2 bedrooms and a hotel inspired bathroom with a little gem on the top floor, which is a fully kitted out loft room. What an opportunity. The property may look like a traditional fisherman's cottage in Mumbles, but believe me, inside has been completely transformed to contemporary and modern living space. You are going to love it. So give me a call as soon as you can and book you in for a viewing. See you soon.